It's really dramatically changed the way that we take our pictures, the ease of it. I love the video feature when we're trying to send videos to clients.
Hey guys, we're here at the original Miami Beach Antique Show. If you're attending the show, this is where you want to be, Beneficial Estate Buyers. I'm here with Alicia and she has a stunning sapphire ring that we're going to get a bit more info about. Alicia, do you want to tell us a bit more about this piece?
Sure, this is a gorgeous platinum sapphire and diamond ring. Our sapphire is 13.78 carats and it's about 4 carats in diamonds. G color VS quality. It's gorgeous.
Could you share with us your experience with the GemLightbox? How long have you been using the machine for?
I've been using it about 3 years now, I'd say, and it's really dramatically changed the way that we take our pictures. The background is always so crisp and white. We use it for a lot of our appraisal purposes as well, so it really gives a detailed picture of the items. The ease of it. I love the video feature when we're trying to send videos to clients to show them what they could be getting in our store. It really just helps close the deal because it's like a great visual for them to see.